Preview is also a great way if you have a photo that you want to make some changes to or annotate on your Mac. So think of Preview as the way that you can overlay text, you can overlay shapes, you can put in annotations with the pen. Pretty much all the tools you have for the PDF you have available for the image. So I have an image from a file, and you can open an image from your Mac, you can open it from Google Drive and download it. Now I want to maybe use this to add it to a series of slides that I have. So our menu options are going to be the exact same as they are if I'm working with a PDF. So you'll see my file options where I can save, duplicate, move to, etc. I can also have my editing options available, view options, so if I want the thumbnails, remember if I want to add multiple photos into this, I can combine and do the same features that I can do with a PDF. If you go to the tools, there are a few tools that are in here, and again these will also be in your markup toolbar. So we have the exact same options in this toolbar as we do in the tools right here. But one of the things that is really great about using Preview to manipulate photos is the adjust size, which we will look at when we get into the actual markup toolbar. We can also rotate or flip if we need to. So maybe you have an image and you need it to be the other way. So if you flip the image, you'll see that it will just go ahead and flip that as you need it to be. And then you also have your window and your help options. So once you have your photo in and you are ready to begin to do what you need to, you want to begin to use your toolbar. So these are my view options in the toolbar, and you'll see that I have several, just the basic ones that I usually need. Zoom in and out. Again, sharing is right here. The key with this for sharing is once I modify the image and I have overlaid top of it what I want, or I've modified it how I would like, and I want it to go into my camera roll or my photos on my Mac, you'll see that there's the option to add it directly to photos. So when you save this picture, or once you have it saved and you've made the changes you need, instead of going to File, Save, and trying to put it in Photos there, you can simply go to your Share option, Add to Photos, and it will send what you have with any changes you've made into Photos. Again, your information is going to be telling you how large this image is. The other thing that it does is it tells you the image size. Some applications, when you actually go to upload the image, whether it is for the icon for your account or another reason you would need to do that, it asks you or sometimes tells you the maximum size it can be or the minimum. So you'll see that this image is 400 by 400 pixels. So that will be important whenever we go in and begin to modify and make changes to it, so that we know this is going to tell us exactly how large the image is for pixel size, and here's the actual file size. So again, important to note so that if you are trying to modify or update for a specific size, you can see what that is. Continuing along our toolbar, you'll see that I do not have the markup option here because this is strictly for font editing. So this icon right here on my toolbar is only for font, and since this is an image, it is not reading anything on the image as font. I can easily rotate my image if I need to, and then I can open up my markup toolbar, which we are going to look at in the next video.